Today we're at 16131 Aberton Hill Drive in Spring, Texas, in Champion Forest subdivision. This subdivision is a very well-established subdivision in Spring, Texas that's conveniently located to Houston, downtown Houston, like about a 25-minute drive.
Not bad at all. Off of I-45,
yeah.
You can take it straight downtown.
Absolutely, absolutely. Klein ISD, so it is the renowned Klein ISD. And one great thing about this subdivision is their HOA is just $300 a year.
That's crazy.
And from experience, since I do live in the Champion Forest area, even though it is a low-cost HOA, trust me when I tell you, it's a good HOA.
It's good.
They do monitor
the
neighborhood to make sure that people are taking good care of their homes and you know, not painting on purple or anything like that. So anyway, but the homes in this subdivision range from about $400,000 all the way up to $2 million. Yeah, there are some huge homes in this neighborhood.
Mansions.
Absolutely. And so let's take a look at this house and see what it has to offer. This home right here is almost 3,600 square feet. It's got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, game room, office, swimming pool. And it is priced.
On a corner?
Yeah, it's on a corner lot with a huge corner lot. And it's priced at $565,000. But the best part of this is that the homeowner is offering a $10,000 seller concession to the buyer.
The price of this house has actually been reduced to $539,900 with a $5,000 buyer concession.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's awesome, because all the new construction
Yeah.
builders are offering a lot, so it's great to have a resale that's offering.
Absolutely, absolutely. So let's go take a look at the house and see what it looks like.
Miss Loretta, I'm ready for the rest of the tour.
We're still here in the community of Spring in Champion Forest subdivision, a well-established subdivision that has homes anywhere from $400,000 all the way up to about $2 million.
That's right.
It's part of Klein ISD. And the home we're going to feature today is actually a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath home on a large corner lot with big mature oak trees. This home has been completely remodeled. updated with
Top of
top-notch.
the line
Oh, I have
finishes.
lighting galore. Beautiful home. One of those jaw droppers when you walk in.
It really is.
And the swimming pool is like an Olympic-sized pool. It's just beautiful. And the house is about 37, almost 3,800 square feet. It's just amazing.
It is.
When we first saw this home, I think my jaw dropped. Literally, it's one of those jaw droppers. So let's take
Very
a look
well
at this
done.
home and see what you think. And if you like it, be sure to reach out to us and we'd be more than happy to come show it to you. Let's go see what it looks like.
Used to dream about buying that bigger house, sitting on top of some hill, losing sleep about filling my bank account, wondering if I ever will. But the older I get, I just care less and less about keeping up with people named Jones. If you don't fill it up with somebody that you love, it ain't ever gonna feel like home. There's always gonna be a higher high.
Hi there, we are back here in Champion Forest. We've done a couple of houses and here we are at another one.
Yeah.
On a gorgeous, huge corner lot. This is another 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. It's listed about $600,000.
Yep, it actually was recently reduced.
All right, so they're already coming down, and
Yeah.
the size is 3,700
It's
square feet.
3,682. Oh, the lot is 10,200
lot.
square feet.
It's
so
a really big corner.
lot.
And again, the big oaks is what this neighborhood is
Yeah,
known for, the
it
big
is.
oak trees.
And it's really close to the elementary school, just walking distance to the school.
It is,
So-
but not tons of traffic.
No,
But
no,
yeah,
no.
it's easy out, and it's just a great location in this neighborhood.
Yeah. And one
So-
thing I love about this neighborhood is all of the trees and the manicured lawns. Everybody in this community really takes pride in the ownership of their homes. I love it.
Very true.
Yeah, it
It's a
is.
gorgeous neighborhood.
It
So
is.
Let's go check out this
Yeah,
one.
and if you like what you see, be sure
That's
to
right.
reach out to us. You can call, text, or complete our Houston survey. Found the link found in our description,
right.
and we'd be happy to show you this house or any other house.
That's right.
All right, let's
Come
go
on in.
take a look.
Thank you for tuning in to Houston's Home Channel. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell.
This video was produced by Visionary Masterminds.